So I'll cut in half.
Okay. Okay. And tell me about, can you read this to me?
2.5 brownies.
Okay. So can you tell me how you got here? Interpret this for me.
Because I said 2 plus 2 will equal 4 plus 2 equals 6 plus 2 will equal 8. And I added this, so that was 4 and 4 kids. And then I said plus a half, that would equal 8.5.
Show me the 4 kids, because I see 3 2s.
This.
Okay, let's circle that. So show me, circle that one. Okay,
This,
and put 1.
and this go together.
Oh,
And this.
and this go together. I see that.
And this.
Okay. Okay. Excellent. I see that. So, now tell me why you answered this.
Because I know that 2 plus a half will equal 2.5. Because if it was just 2 plus 1, then it would go a full number. But I only added a half.
So I'm wondering. I see the 2 4 6 8. That makes a lot of sense. Why did you start doing this?
Well, because if I put gave them a whole brownie, then it wouldn't be even to the other 2 kids, because then 2 kids will have 3 brownies, and only the other kids will only have 2 brownies. So I cut them in half.
Can I flip this over too so we can see? I think we did some original thinking work and we kind of explored with this.
Okay, the 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Yeah, and then
you
I
started
made,
doing the half
yeah.
and
So
the
we
half.
started realizing.
Okay.
Then I noticed
So
that
now
it was
you're just
wrong.
showing how you counted that. Okay, I see that. Thank you so much.
Can I see what you do?
So 10 times 4 equals 1/2.
Well, how I split the 2 because there wasn't enough for everybody. So I split the 2 in half.
I see that you split the 2 in half. So I see this image makes sense to me, but I'm wondering about this statement. And you say that each person gets half a brownie. This one gets a half, this one gets a half, this one gets a half, and this one gets a half?
2. They did.
Okay, well down here you said half brownie for each.
3.
3.5 brownies each? What does your picture tell you?
These are the 4 kids,
I see the 4 kids.
and these are all the brownies. These lines are the brownies.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see 8 brownies.
But then there's 9 and 10 brownies.
Okay.
We split them in half because
Yep.
there wasn't enough.
And so
For all
this
4.
piece is, what's that piece?
That's 1/2
1
of the
half.
brownies.
So this is, this child gets how much?
3.5 brownies.
Show me where the 3.5 is. I'm not really sure.
Here's the 2. And
I see the 2.
And then here's half of the 3.
Half of the third one. Do they get the whole third one?
No.
Huh. So you read this how?
3.5.
You think 3.5?
Thanks, okay. Do you want to look at this? Another person.
Okay, hold on 1 second. So help me understand that you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 kids, and then tell me about these circles in here and how you got those.
Those are the 2 brownies. And that's half. And that's 4. And this half and that half, it makes all of this 5.
Okay, so 1, 2. This makes 4, and this makes 5. Okay. All right. So I see that. Okay. Can I peek under your hand, honey? Just for saying. Tell me about this.
Oh, I'm so sorry for reading.
Tell me about this.
I knew that there were 4 people, and if each person gets 2 brownies, there'll be 8 brownies altogether. And I knew that 8 doesn't equal 10. So then I wrote that 10 divided by 4 equals 2.5.
And how did you know that?
I knew that because 4 times 2 equals 8. So then I would only have to put half inside each of the each child will get half.
And how did you know each child got half?
I know each child got half because I know each child got half because when I was at 8, I knew that I wasn't finished, so I just had to put half inside. Because if I put 2 inside each of them, then it would be too much, and
Okay.
it wouldn't equal 10.
Okay. Okay. Scholars, take 1 more minute.
I noticed that when I gave 2 to each person, I had 2 more left, so I didn't want it. So then that each of them gets 2. Anyway, each of them get a half from each.
We actually have a little boy who's got that image. I think that's really interesting. Let me go see what number he is and she can show that to me.
And then I got 2.5 right here as my answer.
I see just how you did that.